Hey friends, if you wish to deactivate or delete Gmail account permanently, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So I have a Gmail account here that I wish to delete permanently. Here's what I will do. I'll go to account.google.com, and I'll make sure that I select the correct account. Okay. And then I'll go to this option data and privacy on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, I will scroll down and then I'll select more options, and then I'll click on delete your Google account. It will delete the entire Google account and data, but first of all, it needs to verify me. So I will have to enter my phone number after selecting the country code. The country code should be correct, and then I will click on send. It will give me a verification code, and I will have to enter the verification code once I get it. But I need a while for this. Okay, I got the verification code. Then I'll click on next. And then it will tell me all the accounts that will be what do we say, deleted. And then I will say yes, I acknowledge that I'm still responsible, and yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all of its data. I will also verify my Google account here. Then I'll click on delete, and all it has been deleted. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.